Hello, this is Jeff with the J&A Junction. I'm going to run my CSX N-scale train tonight. Okay, the first thing here is a Kato CSX AC4400CW. Okay, this is an Atheron 50-foot Berwick CSX boxcar. It's a micro scale CSX gondola with culvert load. Micro scale CSX rapid discharge hopper with ballast load. LBF Company CSX aluminum Bethagon gondola with coal load. An Atlas CSX ACF 2-bay hopper. And also this CSX hopper, it had the Rapido couplers on it. I took the trucks off and I had a couple extra trucks that was on this Bethagon gondola, and I put them over on this one temporarily. I am going to put the original trucks on it, you know, with the correct couplers, so I can pull it with my newer train. So far these trucks are working fine on this. It's not derailing or anything. So this makes the second time I've run it. The first time I run it, I didn't do a video on it, but I wanted to see how well it ran with these other trucks on it temporarily. So here we go. I'm going to run the train here now. This is Jeff with J&A Junction. Please subscribe, rate, comment. Thanks.